Hello everyone, Becca here. I want to show you the planner I have been using since February. I'm not sure if I already showed it to you, but here we go. This is an Exceed notebook from Walmart. I got it for $5-6, something like that, when it was school time. Now I think they have it back there. They didn't have it for a while, but now they have the big ones. And the little one, I didn't see this size, but they have a few different colors. And this is my key, and I have here my little ruler. I put it there, and my name and my contact email. I don't have a problem with people find it and send me an email, but I will have a problem with someone with my phone. So that's what I am showing you without covering anything. Now I made an index, and I had a few pages for index. I think I went a little bit over the board with the index. Now I just make a sticker 2018. I took it from internet, from Pinterest. The calendars are already done. I can put you a link from where I got it. And I made like the future planning monthly thing, and this is have been what I have been using, and it's working pretty good, and I don't feel the need to have the whole calendar. So this has been working pretty good for me. And I just have January I didn't use it, so that's why it doesn't have anything. February I use it, and that's how I've been doing, just putting there the things and dots that I know the key, what they mean, and everything in color. This is color coded, so I just look at it and I can know what is happening. And May, June, July, and I had it for the whole year. And then I realized I don't need that many months ahead. I think like 4 or 5 months, 6 months, it will work good. And then January, I didn't use it. I write this to fill it up what I want to change, but I never went back to it. So then February, I printed it in a sticker paper and I put it here. It worked good, but it was kind of confusing because it's starting Sunday, and my week list, I always start on Monday, but it's okay. Then I made these goals, event, birthday, and don't forget, and that worked pretty good. I tried to do this like to mark the energy, sleep hours, water cup, mood, exercise, calories intake, and I didn't like the look of it, so I stopped doing it like in 10 lines. So I went back to it, and then every week I do a weekly spread and then go daily. And sometimes, and then the cool thing about this is that I can write anything. If I have to make a call and write down some information, I just do it. And then next one, I start with the dailies. Another one, another more random notes, another weekly, super easy, super simple, nothing complicated. This one was a fitness weekly that you can see I didn't use at all the first 2 days. More random notes, some math tutors I was giving by phone, and dailies, random notes, more dailies. And then another week I tried this one to do the Dutch door, and I love it, but I don't like the fill the indentation later with the next pages, so that's why I didn't do it anymore. But then I did like the weekly there, and then this part was for the exercise, and this one was for the home stuff. And then here I have my dailies with my hour color code scanning. Then this is the week, my appointments or important stuff, get fit, and stuff that I do at home. Then my dailies, again another week, but 1 page weekly. And then my dailies I using 2 days for 2 days in 1 page, and it worked pretty good. When you don't have too much to write, it works pretty good. My monthly, I did it in hand, and the same thing goes. Then don't forget happy birthday. I didn't do anything special that month, you can see. And dailies, I skipped the weekly. The weekly, a note for my little boy, and then more dailies, another weekly, dailies, random note. I was comparing prices of tickets of airplane depending of the day, and weekly, dailies, daily, random notes. My weekly, I really like this one, but you can see I didn't use it that much. But this one was for chores, and then at the end I never used it. And this one was for healthy stuff, exercise, and I never came back to use it either. This is another week, and then this was the appointment to do weekly, and then my dailies. I random note for the work, and dailies. We were painting some rocks, and I cleaned the paint there at work. And then this was the weekly for spring break. I know I wasn't gonna do anything daily, so I just write it down in one page, and that was my week. And then more random notes, April, and I didn't even did a month for the month of April. I used just this, and it worked pretty good. My bucket list for spring, my weekly, and I have here like everything. I have my appointments, my fitness, my home stuff, and then I went back to dailies, random notes, just brain dump, dailies. You can see in this one I didn't do a weekly. I just went ahead and did the whole every day. I start writing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then if I have any appointment, I came in the day and put it there. And if I didn't write anything like this one, just leave it like that. I didn't write much, leave it like that. I didn't write much, and definitely didn't write anything at all. Random notes, my weekly again, and then my dailies. Random notes, that was a test with watercolor. I want to see how much you go to the next page, and I'm pretty happy about it. You cannot see much. And the weekly, dailies, random notes. And then May, I decided to make a big May one, and I like it. It's pretty nice, very pretty, but I'm not using it at all, so I don't think I will keep doing this. It's not worth it. And but I have visual pleasure. I like to see the date, but let's see what I get to it. And then I did different this time. I make every week here, so week 36, and then I divided by chores, my fitness, and this to-do list that was last week, and this one is this week, the same thing, chores, fitness. And the next week is already done here. I have my appointment that I have already that day, and for this one and for this one too. And then here I started with my dailies. I have a daily, and my plan in this one is to start putting pictures of my day. So it's gonna be like a memory keeper, journal, planner, all in one. And then more random notes. Wednesday, more random notes. Daily and random notes. More math and random notes. Daily and daily. And now I'm gonna keep using this one for the whole month of May. And I'm very happy. Look at how pretty it's looking. It's looking pretty fat and pretty nice. It's almost there. What I have here, I have a few notes from work. Almost all of them are for work, so I don't need to show you that. And I have here a few things, nothing important. And this one has been working pretty good, but for June I'm gonna start using this one. It's the same brand, Exceed, but the bigger one, and I choose this color because it's very summery, and I choose the big one because I want to try a bigger size. This is a soft cover, and I'm gonna go to Puerto Rico, so this is gonna be my travel journal, agenda, all in one. And I have here the key, the same thing, and then I'm gonna put the index here, and I will come back eventually and show you what I did here. But I am thinking I'm not gonna do a monthly here, a month layout. I'm just gonna do the future log, and that's what it's gonna be. And I'm gonna do the same thing, weeklies and dailies and notes and journaling and memory keeping all in one. And I would love to see how this comes, how it ends. Let me know what do you like to see from me. Sorry. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.